Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everybody. Welcome back to the MS Excel classes. This is lesson 2. Data. The topic is data creation editing basics in Excel sheet. As usual, I would like to inform you that our educational specific channel in English only, that is My IU Online. The meaning is My International Electronic University Online, and our normal channel for in Urdu, English, Hindi as usual. It is the name is Nice Idea Online. Uh, Now come to the main topic. As you learn in previous previous lesson 1, data creations and editing. Now we would like to we would like to explain you that how to make some uh, basic calculations. Let's first revise what we have done previously in last video. Data editing, format changing, colors, font, and all that. And there is a two way to change the data. One is just double clicking on the cell, and left and right moving by the arrow key and changing. For example, the Abdullah Al Qahtani. So now you would like to Abdullah Dawsari, Dausari. So this is the then finally you press enter. This is the one way to edit or change the data, and another way is just here the formula bar, editing bar, just text bar. Just double click here or just click here and backspace delete, or just drag it, select it, delete it here, and just write whatever you would like to make the change. So now let's first I hope as we have requested you to make at least 10 data, like 10 for the 10 students data, the name, serial number, admission number, name, and then the subject 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like physics, chemistry, math, biology, English, Arabic, etc. So you just I hope you have written it. Now we would like to explain you how to calculate. The best way is the calculation is just typing the formula, but before the sum formula, just you'd have to type the cell plus or is equal to, and just type the sum, open bracket, starting cell value and the ending cell value, and then enter. It will show the result. Before doing this command, practicing on command, this is the best way, but you have to be aware about the concept, how the Excel calculating the data, calculating the values. So if you on the total cell, once you come to the total cell, just press plus or equal to. For example, plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 6 times 10. Then if you press enter, it will show the result 60. Similarly, if you, this is the function sum, this is the command. So plus sum or equal to sum. For example, plus sum, open bracket, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 6 times 10, open that, close the bracket. Then in this way also it will show the result is 60. But these are the constant. Once the data in the cell will change, here the result will not change, because you just writing the exact the value, numerical value, not the cell value. So if you write the cell number, so if the cell is contained changed, content of the set change, the result also change. If you only return the number, then it will not change it here. So let's see the practical. Here, for example, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. I'm changing the data for making more easy to understand. So here is 10, 10, 10, 10. This all 6 here is 60. This the marks is 60. Once you why it is calculating, it is see the sum starting cell value D5. This is the D and this the 5. So this is the cell name is D5. Here is the D5, and this is the here Arabic last is I5. This is the I and this is the 5. So the column I and the rows 5. So I5, here the cell value I5 starting ending, so it's automatically calculating. But as I have I have explained you, for example, just press a plus sign, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once more, 10. 60. This 60 is result is 60. See, here is 60. But if you change here, for example, it is 20. It doesn't change here. Why? Because it's you are not writing the cell number. You just writing the exact values. So value is the computer, the sheets assuming that what are the value, numerical value, it's directly calculating here. But once you writing the, for example, manually, you can plus sign and the cell value, this D5 plus D5. Once I write the D5 is marked here, plus after DE, E5 plus. See, here is another color cell has marked. This is just for understanding purpose, just to aware about how the Excel is calculating. Okay, then E, then F5 plus G5 plus H5 plus I5. Okay, so now it's all the cell has selected. Then enter. Make sure in last there should be no plus, minus or any symbol is should be there. Without symbol, last only the cell. Okay, so now it's showing the cell. Here is 20 and others all containing 5. For example, here 10, the 10. Changing whatever we are changing here, it is changing here. Why? Because it is, we are using the cell name. So making more shorter, we are using the sum formulas, just sum plus sum open bracket starting cell value and the ending cell value. No need to write all. Computer automatically, the sheet, Excel sheet automatically calculate from the value from whatever in between, like C5 and H5, C5 colon H5. It is showing here the result of C5 to H5, C5 to H5. Similarly, come to the here on the Excel sheet. Here we are writing sum, sum open bracket here starting number 1 D5 D5. For understanding purpose, you can here also use plus E5 plus EF5, but this will be more lengthy, more it's not necessary, just to understand. So now here D5, the starting cell value, and colon, and then the last cell I5, the I5, okay. See, the it has already marked here automatically. And now close the bracket. Once you open the bracket, now you need to close the bracket. Now it's bracket closed. Press the enter. It's now it's the command is successfully completed, and just showing the result here. For example, if you type here, change it into like 50, so it is 100. The 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, 50. So it is 100. Similarly, anything you will change the value of cell, it will because here using the cell name, whatever the cell containing the values, it will calculate it. But if you just write the value, it will calculate the value only. This is, I would like to explain you, that is now we have explained. So let's practice on it. Similarly, you can practice is the max and minimum. In max, the command plus max a starting cell value. The starting cell value is D5 and ending cell value DI5. So now see here, it's the max. Automatically it is 50 is showing. Why? Because it's 50 is maximum here. For example, let it make it to 90. See, the value is here marks. Once you press the enter, it will change to 90. I am pressing the enter. Now it has changed 90. See, 90. Why? It's detected from its screen. Start scanning from each cell, and which one is maximum, it's showing the result. So similarly, you can just write plus MAX open bracket, then either you go to the cell, click the cell, it will right here, it will automatically write here. For example, either you write the cell D5, write manually, or just click here, so it automatically selected. Then colon, press the colon and press the last cell. So it's selected starting and ending cell. Then close the bracket. Now press the enter. So it's showing the result. The same way, minimum. The plus min open bracket, starting cell value, ending cell value. So the minimum is 10. For example, let's make it like the math, make it like 1, marks 1. So the minimum is changed, marks 1. Make it here math 3. So it's changed, the max minimum is 3. So this the total, minimum, maximum, minimum. Similarly, maximum you got it. You know already learn how to get the max value. Similarly is the mean value, minimum. Plus min open bracket, open starting cell value, ending cell value, and is showing the minimum value like 3. If you change it here, for example, English 1, 2, so it will change it here. The 2 is, this is the 2 is the minimum. You see from D5, this is the see the command D5 to I5. D5 to I5 is 2 is the only minimum. For example, physics, you make it 1. So now see, it is here the 1. Maximum is 90 and minimum is 1. So, okay, so I hope you understand these important commands. Let's practice it, and then if you have any problems, please comment on the on my videos. Inshallah, I'll revert you, and I'll give you the technical study materials. Okay, then we would like to say goodbye. Inshallah, we will meet you in next class, lesson 3. Allah Hafiz. Salamat Allah barakatuh.